Hello, my name is Daniel Yuck. Thank you for watching today. I appreciate you, your time, and your support. In today's video, I want to share with you how I would go about tattooing dots on toes. By the end of this video, you will be well acquainted with the process and approach that I take so you can walk away and immediately apply some tips and tricks to better your skill sets on your end. However, should you have any questions at all, I'm going to encourage you to drop a comment down below. I will do my absolute best to assist you in the best possible direction. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and ring that bell for me, as I will be bringing more videos like this for you all. I do also have social medias under the same name as my YouTube channel. I have Facebook, Instagram, X, and TikTok, all under Daniel Yuck. I would appreciate the support over there as well. With that being said, let's get right on into this. First and foremost, when it comes to tattooing toes and even fingers, there are multiple variables that we want to consider to get the best possible results. We have to remember that toes and fingers are very sensitive areas, and the skin on toes and fingers is far different from the skin, like for example on a shin or even a forearm or even on top of a hand. So knowing that the skin is different in the finger and toes areas, we want to approach it differently. We want to make sure that the needles that we are selecting, we are super comfortable with and know how to use them. We also want to make sure that we're comfortable with the machine that we chose to use, and we have the correct stroke settings, we have the correct ink that we're trying to use, and we have a design that we can do. I feel like it's super important to be comfortable with the gear that we are using. We have to know how to use the needles that we are using to prevent any sort of trauma or blowouts. We have to be comfortable with the machine that we're using so that way we can anticipate our results. Same thing with the ink. The ink that we choose to use, we should be comfortable with it so that way we know how it behaves and we can also anticipate the results. You kind of get the idea with this logic. We want to make sure that all the gear and tools that we are using, we are familiar and can anticipate the results from the gear that we choose to use. Now, where this ties into tattooing dots on toes is going back to toes being a sensitive area. Let's say we use a needle that we are not comfortable with, then we're more prone to blowing out that area, leaving the client with something that they did not ask for, which is the exact opposite of what we want to do as the tattoo artist. So being comfortable with the gear that we choose is a great place to begin. Let's get into the technical application of applying dots to toes. For this demonstration right here, I'm going to be using an Emalla Grand Tattoo Machine on the 4.2 stroke setting. I'm also going to be using Mummy Triple Black Tattooing ink, and I'm also using a Wormhole silicone foot along with a TNT 18 round liner to apply these dots. Some very important variables that I'm considering when I'm applying dots to toes are, again, the gear that I'm using. After I've gotten all of that established, I'm focused on my hand speed to my voltage. I'm running at a very low voltage. I'm running at 5 volts even here to apply these dots. And again, I'm using an 18 round liner, so that way I can just use the line weight of the needle to do the dot work for me, as opposed to sculpting a dot and having them come out possibly inconsistent. I would much rather use a needle true to the dot size that we wanted, rather than sculpting a dot from scratch using a smaller needle. Each and every time I go back to apply these dots to the toes, I'm always going through the same motions to apply the dots. I'm worried on my comfortability. How is my posture? How is my positioning? Am I stable enough to create these dots, or am I stable enough to create a line from point A to B without wobbling too much along the way? So these are some important variables that I'm considering off the bat. Another main focus that I keep my eye on is my needle tip. I'm always running at a lower voltage. So when I'm working in sensitive areas, I tend to stay around 5 volts and I really don't fluctuate much from there. I just give the needle enough time to do the job for me, and then I go on to the next, as you see me doing here. So I'm comfortable, my posture, comfortability, everything's aligned, my hand speed to my voltage. Now I'm focused on watching that needle tip very carefully, giving the needle enough time to deposit ink in a clean, consistent manner that represents the needle line weight. I would essentially repeat this process throughout each and every individual toe. Now, the design would change if a client wanted, a different assortment of dots, and you get the idea, there would be a different amount of dots. But the ideology and concept would be whatever dot size the client wanted, you want to try to get a needle that best represents that dot size. So that way we avoid sculpting dots, and then we get accurate, consistent dots on each and every toe after we apply them. And as I've mentioned, every single toe that I do is going to be applied the same way. And even if it's on a finger, I would pretty much approach it the same way, where I establish my comfortability, make sure that I can make my point A to B or the dot apply it correctly. And then I just pretty much let the needle do the work from there, keeping my eye on the needle tip so that way I can deposit the ink in a manner that I need to deposit the ink into the skin. Feel free to repeat this process as needed until you've reached your desired saturation. Allow me to give you a top view of the final results. I do love the way that this reads. It does look like a sort of ornamental style approach to me. This is how I would go about applying dots to toes, pretty much the same way to fingers as well. It is very easy to blow this area out, which is why I would go about it in this manner. I feel like this would be a great place to also conclude this video. So should you have any questions at all, I'm going to encourage you to drop a comment down below. I will do my absolute best to assist you in the best possible direction. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and ring that bell for me, as I will be bringing more videos like this for you all. I do also have social medias under the same name as my YouTube channel. I have Facebook, Instagram, X, and TikTok, all under Daniel Yuck. I would appreciate the support over there as well. With that being said, I appreciate your time and I thank you for watching. You have a great day. Are you wanting to develop your tattooing skill sets? Now you can practice and develop anytime, any place with an assortment of tattooing workbooks that I've created. With these assorted tattooing workbooks, we can practice our basic lining all the way to advanced lining. We can practice shading, shading placement, dot work, textures, and more. All we are going to need is a tattoo workbook of mine. We can use a pencil, pen. We can even use a tattoo machine with a ballpoint cartridge to develop our tattooing abilities further. That means that we don't need tattoo ink, we don't need napkins or petroleum jelly to get to practicing. Simply open one of my tattooing workbooks and get going. It really is that easy. You can get your hands on one of my developmental tattooing assorted workbooks by simply clicking the links in my description or in the pinned comment section below, or navigating on over to Amazon.com, typing in Daniel Yuck, and you'll see all of the assorted tattoo workbooks that I've created come up. If you have an Amazon account, be sure to follow my Amazon author page as well, as I would greatly appreciate your support. Should you have any questions at all, drop them in the comment section down below. I will do my best to assist you in the best possible direction. With that being said, let's get right back into this video. Are you needing or wanting tattoo guidance? What about 4K high quality step-by-step follow-along tattoo sessions? Or maybe one-on-one tattoo support to get answers to your questions that are specifically tailored to your wants and needs as the artist? You can now become a Patreon where you will gain access to high quality 4K exclusive step-by-step follow-along tattoo sessions. I will be tattooing with you in a one-on-one step-by-step manner where I will be explaining what I am doing and why every step of the way. I will also be doing this in a high quality 4K format for your optimal viewing experience. On top of the one-on-one support and on top of the step-by-step tattoo session guidance, you will also gain access to exclusive tattoo stencils that you can download and place on your end to further develop your skill sets. I will leave a link for you in the description or in the pinned comment section below, or you can head on over to patreon.com/Daniel Yuck. When you become a Patreon, you will be getting one-on-one support where you can ask me as many questions as you'd like that are specifically tailored to your wants and needs as the artist. You will gain access to exclusive tattoo stencils that you can download and practice on your end. You'll also gain access to exclusive high quality 4K footage where I walk you through each and every tattoo session in a one-on-one step-by-step manner where I explain all the what's and why's along the way. Become a Patreon today. Thank you for your support in advance. I greatly appreciate you.